Hello and welcome to the Core IT Pros Conference. My name is Klaus Degner and I'm founder and managing director of Allegro Packets. We are a proud sponsor of the Core IT Pros Conference and we of course would like to show you our product, the Allegro Network Multimeter. This product has been designed for network professionals like you, and it helps you easily to look into your data. The problem of networks is it's very big and it's a lot of traffic, and just telling what happened that night or what happened an hour ago on a network is not easy. And there are a lot of solutions, but our solution has a very unique feature. It has two databases. One is a self-developed in-memory database that allows you to go within seconds back in time and find what happened at which time with which IP address. The second feature is a ring buffer that allows you to capture traffic from 1 gig to 200 gig with the RedMont units. And both databases combined allow you to go back in time, select from layer 2 to layer 7 any network behavior you would like to investigate further. And you can investigate with the Allegro, plus you can download the PCAP within seconds. Let me explain you how you can save time with troubleshooting your network. First, we integrated a lot of analytics from layer 2 to layer 7. Just giving you an example. If you have a road, you're not interested if a road, what is the average load on the road. You are much more interested, when do I have traffic jam? Debugging that problem is not easy in networks. We have, for example, for layer 2 developed a burst analytics that allows you, even in very big networks, to define segments or just taking the full link and see what is my burst rate in this network. So, when is my street full? Or in this case, when is my cable full? How many times in a second or in an hour is my cable fully loaded? This creates, of course, for example, jitter, packet loss and all other network problems, just by a bursty client. Now we have a lot of other analytics on layer 2, for example, MAC addresses, VLAN, double-tagged VLANs, MPLS, and so on. And that all helps you just on the lower layers. Then we have a lot of other analytics on the upper layers. Something like layer 3 IP addresses. Sounds very simple, but we correlate a lot of data. So whenever a subscriber opens a web page and does DNS requests, we correlate that information in real time to IP addresses. So you can search for server names, you can search for DNS resolutions, for SSL resolutions. This gives a unique ability that you find easily or see easily what happened for an IP address, for IP group, for ranges, for the top talkers, all this information. Please remember, this works with millions of IP addresses in a network in real time. So, other informations are available, like layer 4 for TCP, a lot of data like retransmissions, out of order packets, zero window packets, all this information that helps network professionals to understand there's a problem in the network, what could be the root cause of it? How can I go to the problem? Do I need a PCAP? Do I have to see, did someone else cause an overload to a server, for example? All these problems can be easily investigated. And then, of course, layer 7, there's a lot of information. One example is Teams. Teams uses RTP for all real-time communication. We can show you in real time all active and, of course, all past RTP sessions. You can see what is the jitter, packet loss, all this information you need to see at any network point where you install the Allegro. How is the quality there? This helps you a lot. For example, it's a parameter of your network to see, is my Teams problems in the network or in the uplink? Where do we need to investigate further? This also, of course, works for classic SIP traffic, for SSL and all other kind of protocols we have implemented. Well, you as a network professional should have the right tools to investigate your network. And to minimize the amount of work and time to solve problems. This is why we have designed that solution, with the feature that you have just a single firmware working on all appliances. So whenever you are used to a small box and now you're going to a 40 gig link, you can just use it and you don't have to relearn anything. I would be very happy if you take a look at our YouTube channel, or if you get in touch with us for a demo unit that we would be happy to supply. Thank you very much, and I wish you a lot of new information and fun on the IT Pro conference happening now. Thanks a lot.